Primetime news this evening. Bed space nightmare. COVID-19 spike impacting hospital capacity. Fainting on the job. Exhausted doctors renew calls for intervention. And later, most Jamaicans believe the economy has improved under the JLP. The details in the latest RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Do party manifestos influence how you vote?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.